Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations. Today I want to talk about a product I've been following for years and one that I've personally installed in multiple homes across California, the Sense Energy Monitor. Now if you're not familiar with Sense, here's the big idea. It's an energy monitor that uses advanced machine learning to identify the loads in your home without needing a current transformer clamped onto every single circuit like some other monitors require. Instead, Sense uses high-resolution CTs that look at your home's electrical draw down to the millisecond. By zooming in at that level, they discovered that every device in your home gives off a unique electrical signature. And with the help of machine learning and a little input from you, the Sense app can identify everything from your coffee maker to your microwave, your TV, and of course, your air conditioner. For homeowners, this is powerful because it takes the guesswork out of your electrical bill. You'll know exactly what's driving your energy usage and where those extra dollars are going. Is it your AC running too much, lights being left on, or maybe even a neighbor sneaking power with an extension cord? With Sense, you'll know. Now, one of the best things about Sense is that they have a model for solar. If you've got an older solar system that doesn't have built-in monitoring, this is hands down one of the best investments you can make. The solar model lets you track your entire home's consumption, what you're pulling from the grid, what your solar is producing, and even what's being exported for credits. That's huge for anyone who's been flying blind with an older setup. You can also set up alerts to notify you when your solar isn't producing power when it should. But Sense hasn't stopped there. In recent years, they've rolled out some incredible new features, the most exciting being the Sense Flex. This model has two major upgrades. The first upgrade is for anyone using portable generator backup systems. With Sense Flex, you can finally monitor your generator output. Before this, most homeowners had no real idea how much they were drawing during an outage or how much power their generator was even providing. You were basically flying blind again. Now, you'll know if you're overloading your generator or running comfortably within the limits. That peace of mind alone is worth it. The second upgrade is support for 400 amp split service panels. This is a game changer. A lot of new homes are being built with larger 400 amp services that split into two 200 amp subpanels. Especially as homes transition to being fully electric with EV chargers, heat pumps, induction cooktops, and electric hot water heaters. For a long time, homeowners with these setups didn't have any good monitoring solution. Sense fixed that. Now you can finally get a full picture of what's happening across your entire service. To give you a quick technical note, those little CTs clip onto your electrical lines and measure the amps flowing through them. The Sense itself is powered by a dedicated breaker on your panel, which is monitoring the voltage. And from there, it captures and analyzes everything in real time. Now, I will say, if you already have solar and a home battery, things can get a little tricky. Last time I spoke with the Sense team, they were working on a solution to help the system better recognize when power is coming from your solar panels versus when it's your battery discharging at night. It's not perfect yet, but they're actively improving this. And if you don't have battery storage, well, then the solar model works beautifully right out of the box. The installation itself is pretty straightforward. Most people can have a Sense set up and running in just a couple hours. But if you're in Southern California and want a hand, I'd be happy to come out and help you. Just reach out by using the link down in the description below. You can visit us at reinnovations.org. At the end of the day, the Sense Energy Monitor is one of those no-brainer products. Whether you're trying to rein in high electric bills, maximize the value of your solar system, or safely monitor a backup generator, Sense gives you visibility and control that you simply can't get otherwise. And if you've got a unique setup like a 400 amp service panel or even a sub panel feeding an ADU, you can configure it to keep track of it as well. So if you're interested, I've dropped affiliate links in the description below where you can pick one up today on Amazon. It's a small investment that pays for itself in awareness and savings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one.